Want to make serious money in 2025? These 4 businesses are your best bet. If you're looking for business ideas that can actually make money this year, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going over 4 industries that are growing fast and have huge profit potential. These aren't just trends. They're real opportunities for anyone ready to take action. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which business could be the best fit for you and how to get started. Show some support to Luxo-Life and let's get into it. Business Opportunity 1. Premium Pet Care Services. If you're a pet lover, it's not new to you that people treat their pets like family. But what might surprise you is just how much money they're willing to spend. The pet care industry is booming, and high-end services are in demand more than ever. Pet owners don't just want the basics, they want premium experiences that make their furry friends feel loved, pampered, and cared for, especially when they're not around. This growing trend is turning pet care into a goldmine for entrepreneurs who know how to offer something unique. From luxury boarding facilities with private suites to pet wellness centers offering massages and holistic treatments, there's no shortage of ways to tap into this market. People are also paying top dollar for high-end grooming services that go beyond a simple bath and trim. Think stylish cuts, organic shampoos, and even pet facials. The key is to provide services that ease pet owners' guilt when they have to leave their pets behind. Whether it's for work, travel, or just a busy schedule, when they know their pets are getting VIP treatment, they're happy to pay for it. Starting a premium pet care business isn't just about offering a service. It's about creating an experience. Customers aren't just looking for a place to leave their pets. They want to know their furry companions are in a safe, comfortable, and even luxurious environment. The more personalized and high quality the service, the more pet owners are willing to spend. This is why premium pet care businesses can charge higher rates and still have a steady stream of clients. If you're thinking about starting a business this year, this industry is one worth considering. The demand is growing, and customers are looking for high-quality, trustworthy services they can rely on. Whether it's a pet spa, an upscale boarding facility, or a wellness center, the opportunity to build a successful business in this space is huge. And as more people continue to prioritize their pets' happiness, this market isn't slowing down anytime soon. Business Opportunity 2. Health and wellness enterprises. As the cliche goes, health is wealth. So, if you're looking for a business with serious money-making potential, the health and wellness industry is a smart choice. This market is growing fast, with an annual growth rate of 8.6%, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. More people are prioritizing their health, whether it's through fitness, nutrition, or overall well-being. This shift is creating a massive demand for services and products that help people feel better, live longer, and stay healthy. One of the biggest opportunities in this space is personalized fitness coaching. With busy schedules and different fitness goals, many people prefer one-on-one guidance rather than generic workout plans. Whether it's virtual coaching, in-person training, or app-based programs, offering tailored fitness solutions is a great way to tap into this market. Wellness retreats are also on the rise as people look for ways to escape daily stress and focus on self-care. From yoga retreats to meditation getaways, creating a space where people can reset and recharge is a profitable business idea. On the product side, health-conscious consumers are willing to spend more on high-quality wellness products. This includes everything from organic supplements and protein powders to skincare products made with natural ingredients. People want options that align with their healthy lifestyles, And businesses that provide these solutions can build a loyal customer base. The key is to offer products that are not only effective but also align with the growing demand for transparency and quality in the wellness space. With more people investing in their well-being, the health and wellness industry is a business opportunity you don't want to overlook. Whether you focus on fitness coaching, wellness retreats, or health-oriented products, there's plenty of room to create a successful business. If you've ever considered turning your passion for health into a profitable venture, now might be the perfect time to get started. Business Opportunity 3. Sustainable and eco-friendly products, climate change, pollution, and environmental damage are some of the consequences of our fast-paced, convenience-driven lifestyles. Having said that, there's a big shift happening as more consumers are becoming eco-conscious. People want to make smarter choices and buy products that align with their values, especially when it comes to sustainability. This rising demand for environmentally friendly goods is creating massive opportunities for businesses that prioritize the planet. Consumers are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, and companies that offer green alternatives are capitalizing on this trend. Sustainable fashion is one area where businesses are seeing huge growth. As awareness about fast fashion's impact on the environment rises, shoppers are opting for eco-friendly clothing made from organic or recycled materials. Starting a sustainable fashion line or eco-conscious clothing brand can tap into this growing market. Whether it's offering stylish pieces made from biodegradable fabrics or secondhand clothing that's been upcycled, there's a lot of potential for profit and positive impact in this space. Another business opportunity is the zero waste movement. Consumers are now searching for household goods that help them reduce waste, like reusable shopping bags, compostable kitchen products, and eco-friendly cleaning supplies. Products like these not only help people live more sustainably, but they also cut down on plastic and waste, which is a big win for the planet. Starting a brand focused on zero-waste products or providing services that help people minimize their waste can put you at the forefront of this growing market. Eco-friendly packaging solutions are also in high demand. Many companies are looking for ways to reduce their packaging waste and offering sustainable alternatives, like biodegradable or recyclable packaging, could be a game changer. If you're looking to start a business that makes an impact, this is a great area to explore. As more consumers and businesses prioritize sustainability, the opportunity to create eco-friendly products or services is only going to grow. If you're passionate about helping the planet and making money, this is one trend that's not going away anytime soon. Business Opportunity 4. Specialized social media consulting. The fourth industry that's booming right now is specialized social media consulting. As technology continues to evolve, businesses of all sizes are realizing just how crucial it is to have a strong online presence. The days of relying solely on traditional advertising methods are long gone, and social media has become a powerful tool for connecting with customers, building brands, and driving sales. But with so many platforms to navigate — Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube — many businesses struggle to figure out where to focus their efforts and how to stand out. That's where specialized social media consultants come in. The demand for social media expertise is huge, and there's an opportunity to help businesses develop strategies that work for each platform. For example, a strategy that works on Instagram may not be as effective on LinkedIn, and TikTok requires a completely different approach. This opens up a niche for consultants who can develop platform-specific strategies tailored to each business's goals. From content creation to campaign planning, offering these specialized services can give businesses the edge they need to grow their online presence and connect with their audience more effectively. Another big opportunity is creating content that speaks directly to a brand's target audience. In today's world, people want content that resonates with them, that feels personal and authentic. If you're able to craft unique content that hits the mark and aligns with a business's voice, you'll be able to add tremendous value. Whether it's creating engaging posts, eye-catching videos, or interactive stories, businesses need help producing content that not only captures attention but keeps people coming back for more. This is where a specialized consultant can step in to fill the gap. Lastly, analytics-driven performance optimization is becoming a huge part of social media consulting. It's not enough to just post content. Businesses need to track how their posts are performing, analyze the data, and adjust strategies accordingly. Offering analytics services to help businesses understand what's working, what's not, and how to improve results can make a big difference in their success. Social media consulting is one of the most in-demand services today, and if you're able to offer tailored strategies, content creation, and performance optimization, you'll be in a prime position to succeed. Strategic considerations for success. Before we end, here are some key strategies for ensuring your business thrives. The most important is delivering measurable financial results to your clients. When clients see how your services directly contribute to their bottom line, they're more likely to pay premium fees and stick with you for the long haul. This builds client loyalty and helps you stand out in a competitive market. Additionally, operational excellence is crucial. Streamlined onboarding and offboarding processes will create a positive experience for clients, fostering trust and encouraging repeat business. When clients feel valued and supported from start to finish, they're more likely to recommend your services to others. As your business grows, consider scalability by offshoring talent. Once your internal processes are solid, outsourcing certain tasks can help you reduce costs and expand without sacrificing quality. It allows you to focus on growing your business while skilled professionals take care of the details. Combining a strong value proposition, efficient operations, and scalability will position your business for success, not just today, but for years to come. And that's it. We've covered 4 exciting business opportunities, from premium pet care to eco-friendly products and social media consulting. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which industry you'd like to start a business in, and share it with others who are looking to start their own business. If you're new to Luxo-Life, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Luxo-Love.